Hi, welcome to my video on the new Worx wx354.9. This is also known as a slammer. It's known as a slammer for a very good reason. It is a very, very noisy, very naughty rotary percussion drill. It's cordless, uses the good old-fashioned power share battery system, so I've got 10 batteries for it. It's got several functions on it. Obviously there's a slammer that you just heard, there's also the straight drill function, and there's also the torque for driving in. I have used this quite extensively on my build on my man cave. It's more than capable of grinding in an 8-inch screw, no issues at all. Actually, almost, if it wasn't for the fact being that it's a drill, not a driver, and it hasn't got the impact function, if you like, it almost beats the pants off the WX292 which I've got. It's brushless. It's got 2 speeds, so it's got slow and fast, really fast. It actually does 2,000 RPM, so no slouch for any sort of drill, really. Obviously the torque factor on it, it's got 18 torque settings, so that can be from very, very minor, right the way up to really holding it back, and at 18 I don't think I can ever, I can just about hold it back, but yeah, that's designed for driving, so you don't round off your screws, don't drill them in too far. That doesn't work. Yeah, burn holes in your hand time on drill function, and if you really need to start going heavy, really is naughty drill. Anyway, so how are we going to test this beautiful piece of kit? I'm thinking a bit of a duel. I mean, we can duel with all sorts of stuff, but power tool drill. So, what's a worthy adversary? What sort of piece of kit are we going to put it up against? This, the Milwaukee PH27. This is a nasty piece of kit. Very nearly turned and ripped my hand off. It's a rotary percussion drill, sort of thing you use to break up your drive with, because of course it's got the rotary stop function, so you can continue using chisels in it. It also has the chuck that can come out and be replaced with an SDS chuck, or you can have a standard drill chuck, which is great because I've got just the thing. Got a couple of drill bits here, brand new ones. These are standard Bauer Screwfix specials, 7mm by 100s. There's nothing special about them apart from that fact being they're designed for going through masonry. No problems, brilliant. So where's the competition going? Where's this video going? It's going to go in a bit of a head-to-head sort of function. You sit there going, well, Mike, isn't it a little bit stupid going 20-volt DC powered drill, so, you know, cordless versus mains powered rotary percussion drill? It's a bit mad, isn't it? No, that's not. Here's why. It's a little crib sheet, as I always bring up. So the Worx 354.9 versus the Milwaukee PH27. Worx is DC, so it's portable. And that's AC, so it's plugged in, Milwaukee. So Worx wins. No load speed, 2,000 RPM versus 1,600 RPM. Worx wins. 6,000 beats, percussions, whatever you want to call it, impacts per minute versus 4,800 for the Milwaukee. So the Worx has got 6,000, which is 1,200 more in my mathematical book. So the Worx wins. Can do through 13mm of steel, soaking the Milwaukee, so they tie on that one. The wood maximum diameter on the Worx is 40mm. The Milwaukee's only 30. So going through wood, it's better. And concrete, the Worx claims 10mm. The Milwaukee unfortunately claims 26mm, which is more, either way you look at it. And weight-wise, even with battery, Worx is only 1.8 kilos. The Milwaukee's a whole kilo at 2.8 kilos more. So yeah, that's why I'm putting these two together. Happen to own both of them. Why the hell not? Worx is very kind enough to send me the slammer, so I put it into competition. Why the hell not? You've also got to bear in mind the Milwaukee is like £110 more The PH27X cost me about £220 when I bought it originally about 3 years ago. Currently the 354 Worx slammer drill retails for about £110 with the without battery. Sorry, it's the 0.9 version without the battery. And I think with battery it's about £150 with a basic battery and charger. All available from the Worx Positech Worx eBay page, as well as other good retailers. You check out their website, www.worx.co.uk, I think, or find us on Facebook or on eBay. So right, what am I going to do in this video? I'm going to go and get my little baby, which is the 366. I'm going to drill the 7mm drill bit in to a council paver slab. Say 2 foot by 3 foot originally, by 50mm thick, and they're, I believe, pressure set, so it's like not quite C30 grade, but it's probably somewhere as close as I'm going to find lying around without having to try and source it. C30 grade, I believe, is like lintel sort of grade concrete, but it's the closest I've got, and it's a fair composite because obviously each time that I drill it will be exactly the same piece of material. There's no bias in me mixing up a batch and it being slightly out here, there and everywhere and getting a harder patch. It's a pre-made, pre-decided material. So yeah, without further ado, I'm going to pause here, bring you down to the slab. This, I can tell you, has done it already. It took 48 seconds. I won't bore you with 48 seconds of me trying to drill through it with this because it's slightly inadequate. I have drilled madder things than this and taken a lot longer. I've drained the entire 2-amp battery trying to get a 500mm thick, 500mm, yeah, it was 500mm thick, hole 10mm diameter for my aerial through my brick wall utility. It did eventually do it. It took ages. My ears ached afterwards. Everything ached. My hand ached. It was a little bit of a big ask for this, but can the Worx slammer beat it? Can it beat the Milwaukee? Stay tuned to find out. So this is the hole that was originally made by the little baby 366, and it done it in 48 seconds and 84. Not really a respectful time, but let's reset that and give it a go with the slammer and see how good it is. Obviously this is a council paver, it's 50mm thick, it's pretty damn hardcore. So without further ado, 3, 2, 1. 15 seconds. 15 seconds, and now the entire neighbourhood knows that I'm drilling into this concrete. That's a very steep target to beat. Can the Milwaukee pull it off? Only one way to find out. Okay, so the previous 15-second record, get rid of. And the Milwaukee's turn is now. Ready? In 3, 2, 1. Well guys, there you have it. 28 seconds, nearly twice as fast. Oh my dear God, I'm in love. You can't say any better than that. 18 volts, 20 volts, call it what you want. Takes on, I'm quite lost for words. Take what you will out of that. That's impressive. Damn impressive. Oh, 28 seconds. dear, dear, dear. Poor Milwaukee. So, just to quickly summarise, guys. Milwaukee PH27X versus the Worx 354 slammer. £110, £220. Plugged in the mains, cordless. Really? Do you really want to even go there? I'm still quite lost for words, to be honest. Stay tuned for watching, guys. Rate, hate, slate, like, dislike, give me some feedback. To always subscribe. I'll be doing next, I think, lawnmowers whilst the weather's still good. Got a nice little battle lined up for that. As always, stay safe, guys, and I'll see you on the other side.